Hey guys, welcome to Yardie Kitchen. Today we're actually making some dinner. And today's dinner is one that will be much appreciated. Yes, we are actually fasting this week. So yesterday we broke our fast with some soup. And today this is what we are breaking our fast with. Before we show you, guess now? Guess. Ta-da! Yes, guys, we are breaking our fast with two sinapa.
Two what?
Sinapa fish.
Mercy. And we just cut up some vegetable in them.
Yeah.
And we not really do no rice. We just do it like almost like a bit between a steam and a brown stew.
Yeah, and it's a one-pot meal. So whatever we're eating with it, yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna probably put a couple
Crackers.
water. What about those bammy thin slices? You think they
No, you
would
could
work?
have fried them, you know.
What I mean?
Like
Yeah.
how Scarlington like it when they fry.
So yeah, these are substantial sizes. These two fish, we never really scrimp, and we never really save. We went ham because we know so we depend on the fish to be the
The
main.
substance.
Yeah, that part there. So we have a little bit of cabbage wedges, and we have carrots, the pak
I'm
choi,
gonna get them two okra from my tree in my yard.
two okra from our tree,
So we'll add them. We have frozen okra, but we want to add
the fresh
the ones that we like. Yeah.
okra. Yeah. So this is a bummer for me. We only have the cinnamon one.
And me like the cinnamon one.
I like the cinnamon one, but it has its place. I don't like it in
In savory dishes. You like it with porridge.
or dip in a juice.
Me like it because it have dip in a juice. Me like it because it have the cinnamon, and the cinnamon good for diabetic thing.
So under the fish, guys, I did layer some seasonings already. I layered some of the purple onions, some garlic, some thyme, 2 pieces of scotch bonnet pepper, and I did put coconut oil and some butter. So now it's almost like, where it go? Ela bottom, ela top, and arilu in the middle. Season a bottom, season a top,
Just
and
put a
fish in the
little.
middle. No.
Just a little on the vegetable. Just a little.
Awesome. You're not worried with this.
Maybe not.
Okay. So guys, so a lot of times we do put this in our fish, but today we may not do it.
I'm gonna taste it.
We're gonna
after a
taste
while.
it and see.
Yeah.
But this is good. Noodle is good in steamed fish.
Right.
If we never have noodle in a steamed fish,
half on the life.
what y'all doing? Alright guys, so we're gonna fry up some of these bammy slivers that we have. Not slivers,
Slices or
slices,
something.
but they're thinly sliced.
So just take them and put them in there.
You have to wait until the pot is hot though, not really. Yeah, this is all thin there.
This we can use the one if we test it.
No. You don't hot, man, tell you. Worse is not this. Yeah, in a hot.
So we are now ready. She put garlic in the oil, and the oil is relatively hot. Let me turn it down a little bit more, just in case you don't want it too brown too quick. Cause the bammy them thin.
Slice them or do them?
No man, do it, I do. Nice. See there? That's bammies, ladies and gentlemen. And we'll put them on an absorbent paper. You have to slice them and look too big now. Yeah, bammy. We're gonna show you when them ready. See the fish them are come on. Them probably cook already, you know. We put a little coconut milk in it. Yeah, and see the bammy them over there, so hey, the after fasting here is working out to be pretty good, guys. Pretty good. Let's go.
Alright, so we're just adding a few of the bammy slices to the top. Yes, they're already fried, and we're just putting them so that they can soak up the nice juices.
What? The nice one?
Juices. The nice juice. Yeah, dinner soon share. Don't go nowhere. Alright, dinner is served. Yes, Yardie style. Helsha. What you talking about? What you talking about? What you talking about with the cabbage and the carrot and the bammy and the fish?
All right, and you know me, I always have to finish with some greenery, screenery.
In true chef style.
Yeah, you have to understand. Say, when you're doing this thing, you have to make it be nice. You understand? Yeah. How that look?
Nice.
And of course, we have to round it off with green juice.
That part.
Make the fasting, the breaking of the fast be proper and authentic. And from my plate to your plate, bon appetito. Yeah, Yardie TV.
Cheers.
Cheers and bench.